Your friendly robot Giga welcomes you to the channel. Hey Tech Explorers! Today we are diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. It's a fascinating topic that's changing the way we think about money. You might have heard grown-ups talking about it. Maybe you have seen it on the news or overheard a conversation. But what exactly is it? It's not as complicated as it sounds. We are here to break it down for you. Cryptocurrency is like digital money. It's money that only exists online. You can't hold it in your hand, but you can use it just like regular money. Instead of coins or bills, it's made up of strange codes. These codes are super secure, kind of like secret passwords. This makes it very safe. Cryptocurrency uses something called blockchain. Think of blockchain like a giant digital node that everyone can see but no one can change. This notebook keeps tracks of every cryptocurrency transaction. It's like a super secure way to keep track of who has what. Pretty good, right? And that's just the beginning of what makes cryptocurrency so interesting. Digital money, real excitement. Now you must be wondering, why do we need digital money? Well, digital money or cryptocurrency offers a new way to handle transactions. That's a great question. What is a transaction? Just like regular money, you can use cryptocurrency to buy things. It's fast, secure, and can be used anywhere in the world. Some stores and websites even accept it. Imagine paying for your coffee or for your online game with digital coins. But here's the really exciting part. Cryptocurrency can be used for so much more. It's not just about buying things. Because it's digital, it can be used to create new games, build cool apps, and even support artists and creators. The possibilities are endless. Cryptocurrency is also global. That means people all over the world can use it, no matter where you are. You can join the digital money revolution. It's like a universal language for money. How awesome is that? The future of money is here, and it's all digital. Imagine this, trading stickers for treats. Let's say you love collecting stickers. You spend hours finding the coolest, most stickers to add to your collection. You have a whole book full of them. Each page is printed by red color. So the stickers that red. Let's and bunch of pieces. They all have all kinds of flavors and they look so tasty. Compare some of your awesome stickers with a few of the unique pieces, right? It's a fun way to get something you want and even something you have. Cryptocurrency is kind of like that. It's a modern twist on trading, but instead of stickers and cookies, you are using digital assets. It's like trading one thing offline with another. You can use your smartphone and use it. You are using this special digital codes, like trading your phone sticker for something you want. These codes are digital value in the digital world. Of course, cryptocurrency is more complicated and pretty simple. It involves technology like blockchain and cryptography. But this example helps you understand the basic idea. It's a way to achieve security and efficiency. It's all about exchanging something you have for something you want using these cool digital codes. It's a fascinating new way to think about trading. Keep exploring the world of tech. Learning about cryptocurrency is just beginning. The world of technology is full of amazing discoveries waiting. From artificial intelligence to virtual reality, there's always something new and exciting to explore. So keep asking questions, keep being curious, and never stop learning. Who knows what incredible tech adventures await you in the future? Maybe you will even Remember, the world of technology is always changing and evolving. By staying curious and exploring new ideas, you can be a part of shaping the future. Share the fun, spread the knowledge. Well, that was a blast. We learned about digital money, secret code, trading update, and some virtual stickers. I hope you had fun exploring the world of cryptocurrency with me today. Now it's your turn to share the knowledge. Tell your friends and family about what you know. Let's spread the excitement about technology and all the amazing things it can do. Thanks for joining me on this awesome adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep having fun with science and technology.